Hello, Shanawaz. How are
Hi.
you doing?
Yeah, good, good. Thank you.
So it's for the first time that the Future Technology Week, right? Four mega events have come together under one umbrella, right? So, and if we see all these technologies have one thing in common: security, right? So, how do you see the entire security market of the Middle East region coming along?
I get. I guess it's very promising, and it's really promising. All areas in security is on a spotlight, and they have been given a lot of importance at all levels, I guess. And overall, we have a good feeling that the security um, as a technology is important for every organization, and it's promising in the region.
So, from the channel side, what would be the key campaigns of Dell Security in going to the market? Like, would we be planning any new channel strategies to go to the market with your new solutions? How would that be?
I'm a strong believer of educate and sell, and we strongly believe that we continue to deliver those technology trainings to our channel partners. We identify and enable channel partners who want to get into this business, give the complete end-to-end solutions to our customers. So there are legacy partners who are specialized. There are partners who are new to this business. So we want to bring in a uniformity in terms of the product knowledge, the technology knowledge, give them an understanding of the importance of security solutions amidst various other set of solutions that they offer to their customers. So with respect to the channel enablement and activities, I guess that's where our strength lies, and we have been doing it for the past many years in terms of enabling the channel partners from time to time, giving them the update trainings on various new technologies that we bring in, and also looking at the market dynamics. What is new today, and where is the market looking at? What direction is the market looking at, and what areas we need to put more focus on. So from that point of view, there is a lot of emphasis on enabling the channel.
So if you see like the entire structure of the channel partners and vendors, etc., right? There has been a set framework, right? So how are you creating a difference in the channel enablement strategy? Like, what is the one key thing that makes you stand apart in your channel?
So one key thing that stands apart is probably channel acting as a trusted advisor, and presenting a very honest and optimal and justified solutions to the customers' needs. Given that uh, in today's environment, most say solutions or customer wants to acquire a lot more with the limited budget. So how you optimize it, how you give a better solution at the right price, I guess that's the key for most channel partners today, and that's what the customers like, right? Customers want a trusted advisor giving them the right solutions, not you know experimenting at the expense of the customer, giving the right solutions to the customer at the optimal price.
So in the past 2 days, you must have talked to various customers, right? So like, were there any recurrent pain points that the customers addressed, like a similar pattern in the customer pain points?
So what we experience from the customers is okay. So it could vary from customer to customer, but many customers talk about the complete end-to-end solutions from a solution provider, uh, right from recommending the right product, plus the knowledge that the service provider should have to implement the solution, and also to support the customers throughout the journey of that customer experiencing and utilizing those solutions for improving their businesses. So I guess it's the usual expectation of a customer that don't treat me just to sell something, but then continue to support me on the technologies that you sell, so that if there are any challenges or pain points that I come across, then be available to support me, understand my pain points, and fix those challenges.
And are you planning for any new additions to your partner portfolio, your channel portfolio?
Certainly, we are always on a lookout to identify partners in areas where there is a market growth, uh, identifying newer market opportunities, be it vertical specific or in general. So we always look for those specialized partners who want to address the specific pain points of the customers, and then go on with a enablement plan, enabling them on that specific area of solutions. And again, as a technology company, we would bring in new products and new solutions to the market, and it is our responsibility as well to ensure that all our partners, get this information in a uniformity across the region.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Thank you.
Shanaz.